good. Hi. So we're talking about Samuel Graham Bell, and in 1871, he immigrated to Boston, Massachusetts to teach people with hearing difficulties. After experimenting for several years with an electric current to transmit sound, Bell patented the talking telegraph at 29 years old on March 7, 1987. Let's start in 1885. Let's turn it.
In 1885, Bell and a group of partners set up the American Telephone and Telegraph Company to build long-distance telephone lines. The earliest local phone lines could connect only two places, such as a home and a business.
Soon, central switchboards with operators could link an entire city. The first commercial telephone exchange began serving 21 customers on January 28, 1878. In New Haven, Connecticut, the next year, President Rutherford B. Hayes had a telephone installed at the White House. By 1900, 1.5 million telephones were in use.
Yay, learning about Andrew Graham Bell.